Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will go through exactly what the market has been doing now. We've just been consolidating, but we do have some levels where we can still expect the market to drop down to or break above to see the next continuation. So we are combining this little consolidation with what we have at this moment. So we're just waiting for the market to break the trend line that you can see that I have. Don't forget, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you the breakdown of BTC at this moment. Before we're getting into what could potentially happen right now on BTC, don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available right now on Bybit, up to $30,030. This is where I trade myself when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and the good thing with this platform is that you have low fees while you're holding your positions for a longer time, and you have zero fees at this moment when it comes to spot pairs. Another thing that I do promote and I do think is really good that the platform have is that you can actually copy trade now from a lot of professional and top traders. This is something that I definitely recommend you to look into. Remember, if you are from America, you need a VPN, but claim the best bonus available right now, and you also have it in the description down below my video and pinned in the corner. Starting off, we're looking at the weekly chart, and the market hasn't done anything special, but the only thing that I want to prepare myself for next week is to see what level we have been broken, and we have one level down at $21,000 that the market did break above. This is on the weekly chart, so it will take some time for the market to potentially reach that level if we will see the market drop down to it. I will also use this previous resistance at 21,970 because it's always the same thing that we're trying to look for. Previous support and resistance zones on the left side. We also have to see what levels we at this moment has been broken, because the market will use these levels for future preferences, and that is the reason why we have to have in mind, if we start to see the market drop, we know that the market is potentially pulling back down to retest 21,900 around that level. If we're breaking that level, then we're looking at 21k for BTC. At the moment, we have a small pullback on the lower time frames, and the market haven't done anything special since the last time we were looking at BTC. We are just consolidating at the same way that we saw right here. We're seeing that this is exactly what the market is doing. Last time this did happen, you saw how the market broke above the trend line and gave us one huge bullish momentum, and this is the exact same thing that can happen now, is that from nowhere we just see the next momentum to the upside. And I already have my two targets that I'm looking at, and that is the Fibonacci we've been talking about for a couple of days now at 23,890 and 25,885. So there's actually nothing more to do at this moment than to use these previous support and resistance zones. You can also see how the Fibonacci from the last higher low and higher high is combined with that resistance that we have between 22,220 and 21,700. So definitely a level for us to look at in case we see the market giving us that pullback, because if we are looking back in time, we can also see that we never had a big pullback and the continuation. It was just a small one, and then the market had the momentum, and this is the exact same thing that we from nowhere can see the market do. That is the reason why I'm using this trend line to see when the market will break it, because that is the indication for the market to give us next momentum. So we have two levels that we could potentially see market at this moment break, and this is the trend line that we have around 23,220. Quick continuation to higher targets, or we see the market reject the level and then see the market potentially bounce down one more time. So this is just actually waiting game for the market to break the consolidation market that we're at the moment. But if we are looking at the weekly chart, I do believe that we will see some more bullish momentum, because whether the market will continue to drop from this box, or if we see the market continue up to 31,940, I still believe that we will see the market give us the push inside this box first of all that we need to retest, and inside this box we will see potentially, now if this is going to happen, if this will be where the market does reverse to the downside, or if it's actually going to be where we see the market continuing to push with the higher lows above the level. Because remember, as we always speak about, the higher time frames is the one that is guiding the charts, and it's on the lower time frame. It only builds up to what the higher time frames is about to do. So as long as we understand where the target is, we will see on the lower time frames more clear on what direction the market is heading to. So at this moment, the market is not doing anything special, and this is why I'm waiting for the market to either break above the trend line or see the market drop one more time where the next potential high low can be. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. Have a great day and weekend, everyone. Love you. Bye.